Hello and welcome to a lovely wet day in Wicklow. I'm climbing a bit of a hill here. Well, hopefully I don't have to go back up another hill, because then that means on the way back I have to climb 2 hills to get back to the car. In terms of kit then, I haven't got a whole lot. I have just my bag, and on my bag is my sucker tube. On the bag then I have 1/4 inch classifier and 16 inch pan. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is going to continue hiking down the trail, do a bit of test panning and find some gold. I'll see you whenever I get to the river. Okay, so we've reached the first spot in the river that we actually test. Up here, extremely deep. But along here, we've got this lovely gravel bar. I'm hoping we can even get some flood gold along here, past this rapid section. And that's what we're going to try. I brought the 16 inch pan with me today, because you get a lot done with it, and again, it's lightweight. It's not that I'm stuck, it's that I'm... Ow! There you go. Stuck at a bit of an angle behind route, which wasn't fun. So I'll do a bit of sampling along there, definitely along there. You're at our new river, you're going to test multiple spots. So first off, I'm going to put the pan off to the side here. I haven't used this pan in months. It's actually just sitting up on a shelf. I just want this pan clean, so when I do the sample, I know that this sample comes from here. Let's get some samples. Oh, look at that. A little bit downstream, get some more gravel. I brought 1/4 inch because I have a small sluice in the bag as well, which takes 1/4 inch. Look at that, iron material. Okay, so that'll do for now. Nice round pieces of quartz. Like the colour of that. Again, I've never ever been here. And if I don't find gold in this exact pan, doesn't mean I give up. Just means I try somewhere else. Oh, black sand. Oh, I like that. Alright, let's have a quick look here. That looks like black sand, alright. Any gold? No gold in that one, and I can see. Okay. So I didn't find gold in the first test pan, but sure, that's not always the case. So what I'm going to do now is going to knock off the camera, do a bit more test panning. I'll do maybe, I'd say 5 more test pans here. I also want to try and find access into this forest via another means. If I find gold here, I'll come back to you with out the box. If not, we'll head on to a different spot. Let's just crack on with it. Let's go find the shiny. I've done a test pan there, found nothing. A test pan there, found nothing. See, there's a bit of a channel here. I'm going to get a sample from here, bring it over there. It's going to be very unproductive. But if it gets me the sample and I see that there's gold here, that justifies opening up a new trail and coming back with bigger equipment. The first thing I'll do is just clear the spot a little bit, draw back material, dump it out. I want to get rid of the overburden. So I'll do is I'll draw back and twist. So now I have a nice full sucker of material and put that in there. Quite compacted. Look at that, it's all sand. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go grab the pickaxe. Right. Yes, that's an important thing as well. Right, let's see what we can do here. These gloves are fully waterproof, so they can go underwater. Not terribly good for my back. Just want to get the rocks out of there so I can get into a bit of a crevice if there is one. Right, let's try that now. See if that's made much of a difference. Whew. Oh yeah, it's nice and loose now. See the difference in the colour now? Same dark materials we're getting here. The difference is it's a deep spot. Lift up, pop her in there. I have a good feeling about this pan. Just do is put the pan on the water. I'll stand downstream a bit. Pan doesn't go missing. Look at that. I'm gonna take my time with this one now because this could be good. Loads of black sand here. We're in the middle trough. Let's see how we're getting on. Good bit of black sand. Saw something yellow. Hard to see without a decent bit of light. Yeah, I reckon that's gold. I'm going to take the camera off my head. I'll have a look at this up close. But I think we're on the gold finally. Yoo-hoo! Let's crack on with this. Let's go mine some shiny. So just done a quick check on that with the camera. Yes, it is. We're finally on the gold. What would you do? Stick in the comments below. Would you set up the sluice box and start working the ground? The fact that I've got a minimum kit with me, I can pack up easily. Right, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to head upstream and see if I can find more patches of ground that I can dig. Got to find more gold than that to justify setting up the sluice. We're on one piece of gold at the first test location. Let's just keep working on upstream and we'll find more gold. Let's go find the shiny.